Assalamualaikum and hi again. So in this video I would like to show how um, we can simulate our mechanical and electronic electrical circuit using Fluidsim. As you are all aware, the movement control order prevents us from attending any lab session. So the idea for this video is to show you what is exactly that has been planned for you in the laboratories. So in the lab we have this software called Fluidsim, and you will see how easy it is for you to simulate your hydraulic and pneumatic circuit using this software. It will just be using drag and drop, just like in Simulink, if you have used Simulink before, or like in Multisim, you just drag the devices into the workspace and you can simulate it. So in this case, um, just to show you what are the capabilities of Fluidsim, if you can get your hands on Fluidsim, you can use that for your assignment. Otherwise, we have to go to the lab and do it over there. And the best thing about the Fluidsim is the ladder diagram that you have created here will be available. It can be upload to the PLC that you are using, and you can actually view the cylinder, the valve working just by using the program that you have created in this software. So you can see from this video uh, we want to show how the we have a valve, a cylinder, and we want to the idea is to design a circuit that can move this valve from its starting position, and then it will go until it is fully extended, and then it will retract back to its original default state. So you can see there are so many configurations here, and for this particular valve you can choose whether you want to have it mechanical or electrically actuated. In this case I've chosen mechanical actuation, and in here I've used electrical actuation. So this is mechanical actuation S1. So this S1 is mechanical actuation. It will be activated when this when the cylinder reaches this limit switch, which is mechanically actuated. So here you can see so many devices, instruments that you can add. So this is solenoid. So let's see how we do that. So we are using a solenoid valve. So if you label it according to, you put the same label here. So for example, in this case I use Y1. Okay, this is Y1. So if you put it Y1 here, then if this is activated, then the valve will be activated. So let's see how this thing works. So we just add the pump and the tank reservoir as we learned in class. So we just complete the circuit and then we run. So you can see if you press this, then Y1 will be activated, and you will see that the flow of the fluid will go here to extend the cylinder. Once the cylinder is fully extended, it will touch S1, which is mechanically actuated, so it will go back to its default position. Let's see how it works. Okay, can you see? It goes back. Okay, just repeat it again. So if you press this, cylinder 1 activate and the cylinder go to extend, but there's a limit switch. Right, so that is the example. If we have chance to go to the lab, then that is the software that you can use. Otherwise, we can, I would suggest you to just complete your assignment using whatever that is available. So if you can get hold of the software, please do so. Otherwise, there are so many softwares in the net which I've shown. For example, one example which can be used for your assignment in my last video. So I think that's all for now, and hope all of you are safe at home. Thank you very much.